Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to resize a video in CapCut. Let's begin. Resizing a video in CapCut is a simple process that is quite essential when you want to fit your content for specific platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or even create a custom aspect ratio. Alright, so for you to be able to do that, you remember that each platform for social media channels has its own ideal video size. Resizing allows for your video to be optimized for these platforms. All right, it could be a square, a portrait, or landscape, or even going to your Facebook. Now, once you open the CapCut, I want you to click the project that you are working. If you haven't already, just click the create a new project so you can begin your work and start from scratch. But in my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific project. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to resize my video. I'm going to click the overlay and add overlay in it. Now, I have added two videos here, and for you to be able to resize, all I have to do is select the video. All right, so you want to make sure that you are on the overlay so that you can choose the video. You can select them right here. And then you can use your fingers to drag and reposition all the videos. For example, this one right here, all I have to do is very easy. I'm going to click my picture for now. I'm going to hover it to the very top for you guys to see it. And then the second video, you press this, use your fingers for both sides, and you can zoom it like this to resize. All right, so that's one way for you to resize your video. Then place it along, reposition, and then on the third clip, you can use that as well, right here. And then for the text right here, now you want to make sure that the video are cohesive, and once you're done, all right, another option for you to resize video here in CapCut is using the aspect ratio. All right, if you do that, you will be forwarded to this section. Right now, what we are using, or what I am using, is a 9:16 measurement, which is ideal for TikTok videos. All right, if you want to change the video, so maybe like for Instagram, which is 1:1, you do that, you would notice that the video has been changed. Click the OK button, and again, similarly to the steps earlier, we just have to resize the video by going to our timeline, right? Resize it, position together with the photo so that every video can fit on our canvas. All right, so it's up to you. And then once it's positioned, I'm gonna just drag it here, drag it here. So I believe we have it covered, so make sure that you have all these covered. And then I'm gonna delete these effects right here on top. Now, once you're happy with it, the next thing that I need to do from here is to click the export button on top of your screen. And then save it for a different file format, save and send it to your client for feedback, and send it to a copy of yourself. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.